quick 50-second unboxing here. We have our Olight, my first Olight ever, the I3T, yeah, the EOS. Let's see if I can get into this box here. Alright, so we'll get it open here. Is it a box? Ooh, it's a box inside of a box. How cool is that? It came with this little battery case, which is kind of nice. Alrighty, so here we have the i3T EOS in the little box, and it was a box inside of a box. It came with this big box, and then these are sold by some people on Amazon who throw in little battery cases with them, so that's kind of neat. Have a little case here to keep your batteries in if I can get it open. Little battery case, maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't, don't know. It's kind of cool. Alright, let's jump into the flashlight. Alright, so here is the box. I'll get a close up here for you, and I'm going to show you the back of it. If you want to pause it and read it, you can. I'll just take a look at it here. I got a 5-year limited warranty. Is it limited? No, it's a warranty, quality warranty. And you have a label over there. So we're gonna rip into the box now. These unboxings are always kind of unnerving because you have one shot, unlike a review or something. To get it open, you have one shot, and if you blow that and it's out of frame or something, you're in trouble. But let's see if I can. You know what? Okay, yep, I got it. I was gonna have to run and grab a knife there. I don't have a knife on me today. Whoops. Okay, so we got the box here. Olight, fancy. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. It's really tiny, but I kind of like it. It's smaller than any of the other EDC flashlights I have. Ooh, I'm scared to take it out. That's kind of cool. I mean, look at that. I like how they have the i3T, the little candle. That is awesome. We'll put that right there. What do we have here? We have read me before use, unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulated film. So, okay, yeah, and it came with a battery too, which is kind of nice. And then here we have little user manual. Now, normally I read this type of stuff, and I probably will read this one, but let's see, it's just pretty much tells you what type of batteries you can use in it, and how it works and all that. It's pretty straightforward. This thing is so cute. It's tiny, it's cute, I like it. Alrighty, let's undo the tail cap here, and we'll take the little insulated film out. I got that little film. Oh, ooh, this is a AAA size battery, is it? Yeah, it's a AAA. Oh, cool. I thought it was a double. Oh, the switches. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that our full 180 right there? Yep, there's our 5 lumens. And then here's our 180. That's really cool. Alright, that is cool. Alright, my overall first impressions are very good. The tail cap has a really hard push to it. Like, you have to push it really hard to get it to click on. Which is kind of nice. And then I like this little pocket clip here. It's always nice when these things have pocket clips on them. But it's a nice, nice size little light here. And this will be rotated into my everyday carry, and will most likely become my new everyday carry light. Alright guys, that is it. If you'd like to see a review of this light, be sure to comment and leave a thumbs up. This is my first Olight, which is kind of nice. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.